Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. So behind me right here I have my 2018 wide body Hellcat, and I told you all of my cars are going to be getting a full makeover. And I'm not talking about just like a little thing here or there. So far on my Hellcat, if you're new to my channel, I've been focusing on the performance aspect of the Hellcat. I have a whole bunch of Dodge Demon parts. We bumped up the power on the motor, and I have yet to test that out. I got a buddy who just got a Dodge Demon, so stay tuned because that race should be coming up soon, and we'll find out if it actually really is. It should be close, but I'm expecting it to at least pull on that Dodge Demon. We'll find out. But anyway, in today's video, we're going to be doing the first modification. And in the last video, I put a little hint, and three people, picked up that hint. It literally said hint, hint on the screen. All you had to do to see it was you had to slow down the video. On YouTube, it gives you an option to slow down the video, and I like to throw in like little hidden things like that sometimes in my videos. But if you would have slowed it down, you would have seen an image pop up of Stradman's like fleet of vehicles. I love Stradman's channel, love his cars are sick, and I love the way he's got them wrapped. Now, I'm not going to be wrapping mine exactly like that. Mine's going to be a little bit different. It's going to have my touch. You'll see what I'm talking about. But anyways, the wrap on the Hellcat is happening in about 4 weeks. Today, we're going to be doing a whole bunch of light upgrades on the Hellcat. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm not 100% sure on exactly which light mods I'm going to do, but I'm thinking demonized, halos, maybe some lights behind the grills. I don't know. We're going to go to the shop that actually makes a product. I'm like 3 minutes away from the shop, so let's go. All right, let's turn down that music before I get demonetized. All right, guys, so this is the name of the shop where we're at right now. There's their phone number, their website. All the info will also be in the description below. Now check out this other sign. They have this other sign, and I recognize the car that's on the sign. Hold on. Okay, if you're a Mopar guy, there's no way you don't know Hellcat enforces Dodge Charger. So that's his Charger Hellcat. I didn't even know he was on the sign, but I recognize that car anywhere because I've made videos with him in the past. So guys, as soon as they open up the shop, we're going to go inside and we're going to check out the products, kind of make up my mind on what exactly it is that I'm going to install on my Hellcat. I got a certain thing in mind for the Hellcat that's going to go perfectly with the wrap. The goal is to have all three cars lit up, wrapped. All cars are going to have like a theme that kind of, they're not going to be exactly the same, but they're going to have a theme. They're going to kind of match in some way, shape, or form. I'm not going to give that away yet. It looks like they just pulled up right now. Yeah, so let's go inside, check it out. When I do if I did a rear diffuser, is that going to interfere with the lighting you're going to install?
I have to redo
the rear part of it, right?
Yeah. So on the wheel to wheel, I use the plastic channeling, so it's I can do custom length.
Okay.
The strip actually tucks in that middle channel, and then this gets bolted straight up. The strip is still not exposed. We tuck it in the like the pinch weld. On the front, I try not to make it the lowest point on the car. So when you hit a speed bump, this is not the lowest point. So this will be nice and tucked up. Now,
one thing that I know my subscribers, I'm a pain in the ass when it comes to reliability. So you said warrant the parts for anybody comes here.
Yeah, anybody that does any kind of installation. Yeah, it's lifetime warranty as long as you own it.
Parts and labor.
Yeah, parts and labor.
Okay. And guys, this is the reason, this is why I was like so excited about bringing you the car, because like I said, I did another company's lighting. I did another company's lighting in my 2012 Challenger, and it was a nightmare because the lights, the LEDs kept getting burnt out. They wouldn't last more than a week or two. And then I had Oracle blaming it on the installer that they sent me to. And then they're blaming Oracle.
They have a lifetime warranty, but
you know how you have to take out the...
Right, and they find every reason not to replace it.
Yeah.
Installers or whatever else.
They blame it on the installer. The installer kept blaming it on Oracle, and it got to a point where I just got fed up. It would never last more than a week or two.
Yeah, the only responsibility of you would be schedule an appointment, bring the car, and we cover. Yeah. If we have to remove the bumper, that's free. If we have to replace
it. And when I called the guy who installed it, he literally disappeared for a year because he didn't have like a. I guess he had a shop at the time when I brought it to him, but then he just disappeared for a year. We're not going to mention any names, but this is the reason why, guys. Look, you're the owner, right? He's the owner. Not only does he sell the parts, make the parts, he's also installing it, and it's all going to be covered under warranty. So that, if you guys know how much of a pain I am, if I'm bringing him my Hellcat, then you should be good too. All right, so we're going to do the light strip in the footwells too, to match.
If you want, so I can do two things. I can put the one I can do like the driver's side interior as
Yeah.
your DRLs and your badge, and then the passenger side interior as the underbody and grill.
Okay, and then those are going to turn on basically only when I turn on the other ones, basically.
But it would give you indication from inside to know that one, they're on. And
Correct.
two, what color they are.
So how would you do it again? You said driver's side would be what?
I can do driver's side for the DRLs.
Yep.
Your normal
Yeah, yeah.
DRL.
Correct.
And the passenger side, we can put on grill and underbody. So that
All right.
way-
So guys, we're doing this just so that I can tell what color it is on the outside. So this way I don't have to step out of the car to figure out what color my lights are, because obviously driving around with red lights, that's gonna get you pulled over. So I wanna make sure that when I'm turning on my red lights, I'm only in Mexico, of course. So we visit Mexico a lot on the channel. Yes, let's definitely do the footwells in the front, not the rear. Nobody ever sits in the rear. See, this thing looks sick. I love the way I've seen these on social media. So guys, we're gonna put this on the grill for sure too. I'm not gonna show you everything we're doing, just giving you a little bit of preview. We're at the shop right now. Again, all the info will be in the description below, but I can't wait to have this light on the grill. I'll see you guys when I go back outside.
So I typically use that panel here.
Yeah, that's fine. I forgot my knife is still over there. You see that? That's like the little spot right there, where that little pocket. Now my subscribers know. Okay.
Yeah. So 2 switches somewhere right here.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's a cheap and easy panel to replace.
And the where the strip is going to be.
You won't see it. It'll be
Okay.
tucked up under the carpet. And same thing on the other side.
All right. Sounds good. All right, guys, so I just got dropped off at the bus terminal by the owner of the shop. Very, very nice guy. I definitely feel like I'm in really good hands. I can tell he's very technical. He's very picky about, you know, the work that he does, and I feel very comfortable. So I can't wait until all the lighting gets installed on the Hellcat to see what it looks like. And I'm definitely gonna be bringing him my Jeep. And the second I take delivery of the 2020 Corvette, or probably right after I wrap the 2020 Corvette, then we'll bring it down, get the lighting done too. I wanna have all three cars lit up, looking crazy. But the work that they're gonna do on the Hellcat, it's definitely gonna take a few days. Remember, you gotta keep in mind that front bumper on the Hellcat has to come off. They have to go into the headlights. We're doing a bunch of lighting on the Hellcat. It's gonna look ridiculous. And this time in the future, whenever I'm going to car meets and stuff like that, I'm gonna have to get some drivers. I wanna be able to pull up to these meets with the Hellcat and the Corvette, maybe the Jeep too, but I need to find drivers that I can definitely trust to come with me. I just want to say thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you can sign up for notifications. The next video you'll probably be seeing after this will either be the lights installed on the Hellcat, or will be the off-road video from the Jeep, one or the other.